All right, welcome back to this episode. Today, we're going to try to build a PVC like canopy frame over top of this boat because I don't want this to happen. It's about to be winter where I live. Obviously, it's fall, and I don't want, this is a very special boat to me, and I don't want it filling full of water and then this turning into sludge and then it freezing. So we're going to try to avoid that. And I just put this new seat on it, and I'd like to keep it in decent shape. So it's already getting stained. That's a bummer. But yeah, so I don't know if I'll record the whole thing. I have an idea of what I'm going to do. I've not done it, obviously, but I am going to record it. So that way, if it turns out good, we can show the video. If you're seeing this video, that means it probably turned out okay, and I wanted to share it with you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Smash Engineering.
All right, so it's using a little more PVC than I had thought when I calculated it out because the boat's a little wider than I imagined it. I didn't have measurements when I thought it out, but so basically what I did was I took, let's see if I can get one of these. I took a T fitting and I cut it so that it fit, it literally pops right onto the boat, and I did that on all of these here. And then those are like specialty, you would never use those in actual plumbing. They're like what I think called furniture four-way tees, something like that. But now what I'm going to do is run pieces in between there, and then up here I'm going to put a 45, and it's going to come down to the front there. So all right, so I got the this piece was a little short, so I was going to put a straight up and down support anyway, so I used that there. But yeah, it's coming together. Hopefully this ends up working. I hope I got enough things. I guess I won't know until the spring and see if it holds, but yeah, there it is. I'm actually liking how it's turning out. These don't look like they snap on really well, but they do actually pop in. I think 1-inch pipe would have been better, but if you know anything about PVC, 1-inch pipe is exponentially more than this here. So, and I had this pipe laying around from an old project I did. I made an outdoor water park, and the kids have kind of outgrown it. So I'm going to go ahead and repurpose it, because that's a lot of what we do here on the channel. We repurpose things. So yeah, we're going to get this finished. I want to do a 45 out of here and come down to the front here, specifically right there. But I don't know if that's going to happen right now or not, because I forgot to bring a 45. I thought I brought 45s, but I brought 90s and T's. So we'll go ahead and get the tarp strung up there, and I'm going to fill these jugs with like sand or dirt, and then they'll be used to hold tension on the sides if I need them. So yeah, we'll check in again in a minute. All right, so the structure was a little flimsy forward and back. Like if you pushed on this, it would, the whole thing would kind of collapse, like want to collapse sideways. These did. So one way to stop that is to triangulate it. So you pull tension from the back forward and from the front backwards, and that's what I did here. Not how well I'm going to be able to, but that's what these are. So I got these tension, or these friction straps, which in my opinion, they're only good for something like this. But I hooked it on the back of the PVC back there, hooked it in the front up here, and I put just not a ton of tension, just enough. And that I can grab this and push back and forth as pretty much as hard as I can with one arm, and it doesn't go anywhere. And here where I live, we get a lot of crosswinds and like raining ice and stuff like that. So I wanted something that would keep it from getting heavy on one end and kind of lopping over, and I think this will accomplish that. Obviously we won't know until the spring, but this is the best I can come up with for what we got. So I know a lot of you are going to probably say, why not use like a shrink boat wrap or something? To me, those are extremely wasteful. If you use them, I'm not judging you. I hate things that are use one time and throw away. It just bugs me. I helped out a friend of mine doing like dump trailers and stuff, and seeing the amount of crap we throw in our landfills, we're just not making much of a future for our children. So if I can make something that's reusable, and like these tarps are made out of recycled material, so if I can make something that's reusable, and I'm even recycling this PVC. I got this PVC originally at a yard sale. People were going to throw it away, and I took it. So they had it in their trash. They had it in their trash bin, and that's where I ended up getting it. So all this here, other than the tarp, is kind of like recycled stuff. And you know, I feel like anything we can do to keep landfills from filling up, to keep our future generations to have a world worth living in, if we can do anything to do that, then we should try. So I'm gonna climb out and we'll start strapping it down and see how it ends up looking on the outside. But let's get going. All right, we're all done. We got a little bit of air here for air to breathe through it. You can see it's not completely closed off, so it should get musty in there. But yeah, we got it strapped nice and tight. I tried to make it anywhere water could get trapped, it's gonna wanna run off. So we'll check on it after a few ice storms, but it's quite sturdy. Very happy with how it turned out. So that's how I did it. You might have different, if you got different ideas or anything, the ways that you did it, leave it in the comment section. Let us know, because I'm open ears. This is just what I thought of doing, and I may do something else different next year, but I did like this. It was easy to put up once I had everything made. So once you have all the PVC cut, it's reusable. I would like a little bit longer of a tarp that could go, you know, over the front a little farther. But this boat has like a stoppage thing in there, so if water does come down this, it'll hit it and run off the sides. Thanks for watching. I hope this episode helps you out. If you got any comments or whatever, leave them in the comment section. But remember, help your neighbor. Throw us a like, a comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.